Good morning, guys. I shot one squirrel down there, about 20 yards. I shot two squirrels somewhere right here. There's one squirrel down there. We're gonna go get it. Alright, guys. I found my first two squirrels. I shoot it early in the morning. Early in the morning, you cannot see very clear. That's why I did not attach my scope cam. But the third one that I shot, the other side, I recorded. I was right there, so the squirrel run around up and down this tree. I was right there. They saw me, but they don't care. Early in the morning, I shot these two. Look at that. It's big. It's big squirrel. It's very big. Alright, I will go pick the other one. I was right there. I was sitting close to that tree. And this squirrel running down the tree. Come down. And cross them. Yeah. Alright, guys. I hear the squirrel barking at me. I will go look. I don't know if I can find it. Yeah, I think they're barking at me. Let me go see. Oh man, I see that squirrel twice. Now that squirrel run behind another hill. I have a problem again with the GoPro. This GoPro, I just put a new battery. It already froze. See? 100% go to 36. That is no good. I don't know what to do. Alright, I will put another battery. I brought 3 batteries today. The first one gone, the second one is going low. I'll put number 3, let's see. I don't know why. Maybe it's cold? Oh man, that is no good. Yeah, that one down. Oh man. I don't know what happened. My GoPro keep frozen. I shot 2 squirrels. One is fell down but it ran away. But the second one shot around 40 yards. But that one is headshot, I think. I will go pick it up. I shot another squirrel. My GoPro cannot record no more. So I will take this out, put it in my bag. I shot 2 to 3 squirrels. One is down, two is run away. The one that I shot down is a headshot. Around 40 yards. Now it's total 4 squirrel. Let's see how many more I can see. The other one I shot right there is a fox squirrel. It fell down, I see a blood, but when I go look, it just run away. It's about 11 o'clock. I don't see any squirrel. No more. Today total I shot 6 squirrel. 2 squirrel ran away. So I only have 4 in my bag. So I will head back to the parking, but I'm gonna walk slowly